since 2009. When I was in Dr. Reddy's, that time I evaluated various vendors from various suppliers internationally and started working with PAS-X 2009 onwards.
The best part about Körber is they are aware of the pharma requirement, the pharmaceutical requirement, which is very important for us as a manufacturer, because any IT company, if they are aware of the needs of the regulatory agencies around the world and the expectations from them for any kind of new technology, it becomes more easy for us. And as we kept, in the process of implementation, they're more than happy to hear from us, take our inputs based on what we expected from the regulatory agencies. And that relation has really helped us to ensure that the implementation was done in the right manner.
The leadership involvement from Körber India as well as Körber head office Luneburg also involved in this project progress tracking, where we have done multiple steercom meetings with CIPLA leadership as well, and which results in our project success delivery as well. So there is a good appreciation with respect to senior leadership involvement in the project from very initial phase of the project.
So there were various challenges in India to implement a product first time in 2009, way back, means 2009, correct? Nobody was aware of what is the meaning of MES that time. Okay, the challenge was from a customer point of view to pull the resources from different department, and that was a bigger challenge to see that how to roll out, how to implement the solution.
A couple of challenges. One is that it's a new first time that we are introducing within our company. The company is almost 50 years old, and you can understand there is a lot of experience with the senior people. And introducing an electronic system for them, they are not comfortable. And Körber team was always available online, offline. I would have attended several meetings at the site with them whenever the senior team was there, and they were very more than happy to help us out in any kind of support that was required.
First of all, the maturity of a product for a requirement which was already specified to you is something very nice. And after implementing, we got a lot of benefits out of the product. One is that all the requirement, for example, the potency calculations or formulas and all that stuff, so all available. So that was a bigger learning or bigger advantage or benefit what we had, because over the years we had difficulties in the shop floor for calculations and all. So that was all available in the solution. Second benefit was the readily availability or connectivity for the ERP solutions, all the connectors for interfacing and all that. It was all available out of the box. And third, the big advantage for the solution of Körber is on the non-technical part is the qualification aspect of it. So how to qualify? What are the modules to be used for qualification? And how to see that with a minimized effort, how to qualify the solution from SAT to FAT and all that.
So I think there are multiple benefits from PAS-X application. So one of the best things is the regulatory compliant, which always every company prefers. And also there are benefits like having a GmbH functionality, where we can have multiple BMRs in one GmbH. So that is also one of the good functionality, and mostly is a integration functionality. So it's so easy to integrate with any application, like you can say ERP, even SCADA, LIMS, TrackWise. There are very standard connectors available in PAS-X application, through which we can get the data from multiple other L2 or L4 systems. We have almost reduced 70 to 75% manual entries with the implementation of PAS-X. So in one of the product where we did one case study, where almost we do a manual 6,000 plus entries, now it's reduced to thousands. So it's almost more than 70%.
I would say the ease of operation, the less chances of making mistakes in the conventional methods of batch records, and data integrity, which is one of the biggest challenge for the industry in pharmaceuticals. That has been taken care of. The requirement for hard copy prints and review and then archival is a thing of the past. So that's something that has been, and we are happy about it.
I definitely recommend this product for other companies as well.
They come with a strong pharmaceutical industry background where they are able to understand the needs of the pharmaceuticals based on their experience and their being in this industry for so long. That's one thing, and the support that comes up from the team both in India, and that's where we did it, but we also had the full visibility and experience coming from their German counterparts, and they were always available.
With the PAS-X, they have a Savvy solution and even OE module. So by applying these modules, I think we can get that analytics requirement.
And they're coming out with the innovative technologies of how best we can allow the people at the shop floor not to really fiddle with the computers and the input technologies. Like they're coming up with the voice technology, which is quite innovative, where you don't really have to hold on to a laptop or a computer, or a handheld device. You can still work on the authenticity of the person with his voice commands, and that's something that we are really excited about. PASX community is very useful because we can share our experience, we can get inputs from our counterparts within the same industry, and we can always reach out. Of course, as I said, we have the full backing from the Körber team, but talking and also interacting with our fellow community within the same industry, within the same country or abroad, where we know that we can get to know about their challenges, how they faced it, how they addressed it, and their experience will definitely help us to ensure that we get that confidence of implementation.
We have a project which is coming in Hyderabad. So for that also we are thinking about rolling out the same solution to Hyderabad. And parallelly, we are also discussing about creating a DR. So we have a plan. Wherever a greenfield facility is coming up in Biocon, we need to have a solution like PAS-X.
We have already started looking at implementation of these technologies over at the PASEX at our other sites. We have the confidence that with the experience that we had of implementation at one site, we'll be able to roll it out to the other sites as well. And Körber will always be there to give us the best of technology, best of updates based on the experience that they carry from other companies. And these things will definitely help us to ensure that we have the support from them. More than that, we are happy about the collaboration that they bring in, the expertise that they bring in, and also our implementation in the remaining sites.
Our next plan will be definitely we should go all sites with the PAS-X application.